Namaste to all of you. Here is a detailed explanation of Republic Day of India in 100 sentences. Number 1. Republic Day is celebrated every year on January 26 in India. It marks the day when the Constitution of India came into effect in 1950. The Constitution replaced the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India. This day is national holiday in India. Republic Day signifies the transition of India from a British dominion to a republic. The date January 26 was chosen to honor the declaration of Purna Swaraj, complete independence in 1930. The drafting committee of the constitution was chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and some other renowned persons. The Constitution of India is one of the longest written constitutions in the world. The celebration begins with the President of India hosting the national flag. The main event is the Grand Republic Day parade held in New Delhi. The parade showcases India's cultural diversity, military strength, and technological advancements. It begins at Rashtrapati Bhavan and proceeds along the Rajpath to the Red Fort. The President of India takes the salute at the parade. The parade includes contingents of the Army, Navy, and Air Force. Tablets representing different states and union territories are a highlight of the parade. The tablets depict cultural heritage, traditions, and achievements. School children also participate in cultural performances during the parade. Republic Day celebrations also honor the bravery of soldiers and civilians. Gallantry awards like Paramveer Chakra and Ashok Chakra are presented. The event ends with a flypast by the Indian Air Force. Fighter jets display intricate formations in the sky. The national anthem Jana Gana Mana is sung with pride. The celebration instills a sense of patriotism in citizens. Republic Day is an occasion to remember freedom fighters and their sacrifices. India became a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic on this day. The preamble of the Constitution outlines the nation's guiding principles. Republic Day is celebrated in all states and union territories. Schools and colleges organize flag hosting ceremonies and cultural programs. Patriotic songs are played to evoke national pride. The tricolor or triangle is prominently displayed everywhere. It symbolizes India's unity, courage, and progress. January 26 is a day of reflection on India's journey as a republic. It reminds citizens of their rights and duties. The Constitution emphasizes equality, liberty, and justice. Every citizen is equal before the law as per the Constitution. Republic Day emphasizes the importance of democracy. It highlights the power of the people in a democratic nation. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm and joy across India. Patriotic dramas and skits are performed in schools and colleges. Republic Day is a symbol of India's unity in diversity. The military parade demonstrates India's defense capabilities. Cultural performances showcase the richness of Indian heritage. The beating treat ceremony makes the end of Republic Day celebrations. It is held on January 29 at Vijay Chowk in New Delhi. Military bands play traditional tunes during this ceremony. The president, the prime minister, and other dignitaries attend the event. This event is broadcast live on television and online. Republic Day inspires a sense of pride among Indians living abroad. It is an occasion for national pride and celebration. The first Republic Day parade was held in 1950. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was India's first president to take the salute. The day also highlights India's progress in various fields. Leaders deliver speeches emphasizing national unity and development. Citizens renew their commitment to nation building. The Constitution protects the fundamental rights for every citizen. Republic Day is also celebrated in Indian embassies worldwide. The President addresses the nation on the eve of Republic Day. These addresses highlight the nation's achievements and goals. Republic Day fosters a sense of national pride among youth. Social programs are aired on radio and television. Security is highlighted across the country for the celebrations. Republic Day is one of India's three national holidays. It complements the Independence Day celebrations on August 15th. The Republic Day parade attracts thousands of spectators. It is a blend of military grandeur and cultural heritage. The chief guest is usually a foreign dignitary. This strengthens diplomatic ties with other countries. The selection of the chief guest reflects India's global outlook. Republic Day is an opportunity to showcase India's achievements. It reflects the strength and resilience of the nation. Republic Day parades include marching bands and armed forces regiments. The parade route is lined with enthusiastic spectators. VIPs and diplomats are witness the grand celebrations. Republic Day honors the values enshrined in the Constitution. It promotes the spirit of unity and integrity. The day reminds citizens to uphold constitutional values. The President awards Padma Awards on Republic Day. These awards recognize excellence in various fields. Republic Day inspires citizens to contribute to the nation. It highlights the importance of nation unity and harmony. Students participate in easy and speech competitions. The day motivates citizens to work for the nation's progress. The Republic Day strengthens the bond of patriotism among Indians. The event is an opportunity to honor India's heritage. The armed forces demonstrate their discipline and valor. The celebration reflects India's diverse traditions. It emphasizes peace and progress as national goals. Republic Day reminds citizens of their democratic responsibilities also. It is an occasion to celebrate India's sovereignty. The parade showcases indigenous defense equipment. Cultural troops perform traditional dances during the parade. The day unites the entire nation celebration. Republic Day represents the triumph of democracy in India. It inspires citizens to uphold the ideals of the Constitution. Republic Day is a tribute to India's freedom fighters. It reflects the strength and resilience of India democracy. The celebrations promote national integration and patriotism. Republic Day is celebrated with enthusiasm, joy, and pride. It serves as a reminder of India's achievements as a republic. Republic Day is a day of unity, pride, and dedication to the nation. I wish you happy Republic Day and I wish you all the best. Bye. I am Purandar Babu Beduduri. Thank you very much. All the best. Bye.